When I was little in school, my teachers used to complain about one thing, and that was I could not speak. They used to tell my parents, she's such a bright kid, she's intelligent, she scores well, she's such a good child, but the only problem is she cannot speak up. When in class teachers ask questions and kids who know the answer raise their hands, well, I never did that. Even if I knew the answer, I would never raise my hand because I could not stand in front of the whole class and say something. Even if the teacher specifically asked me to stand up, I would freeze. I used to be like, um, uh, I would totally space out, I would forget the answer and make a fool of myself. That was my entire school life. And about my college life, same. It's not like I don't talk at all, I'm very quiet. Well, I am quiet sometimes, but when I'm close to someone, I talk like a normal person. It's just that when I have to talk in front of a lot of people or someone who I find intimidating, I cannot talk. The thing is, when I was a kid in my formative years, everybody around me was like, Sonia, speak up, speak, speak, speak. Like I knew I had this limitation, but that constant reminder made me more self conscious about it and gave me more anxiety whenever I had to speak up. So I was more scared of speaking up. You know what would have actually helped me at that time? Not reminding me that I have this flaw in me, but telling me that it's okay to make a fool of yourself. Even if you speak and you speak gibberish, it's okay. No one's gonna care. I mean, people are really uptight about things, especially teachers. They're like, things should be like that. I mean, okay, I get it. Speaking up is important in today's world. Otherwise, you won't survive or become a weirdo like me. But it's not a do or die situation. When you make it a do or die situation for a kid, you're giving her anxiety and making life more difficult for her. Your mind cannot work at its full potential when you're under pressure, when you're stressed, when you're anxious. So, you're taking it into the negative direction. Sadly, today's education system has become a pressure hub. That's why everybody is so sad all the time. If a person has some flaws, you cannot help them by pointing out their flaws all the time. If they don't know, let them know. But if you want them to overcome those flaws, then you have to apply a different approach. Like in my case, I could not speak because I was very conscious about the fact that what if I make a fool of myself? What if I forget what I have to say? What if I say something wrong and people laugh at me? People will judge me, they'll think that I'm a loser. So it was mostly about what will people think. If you care too much about what people think, your life is gonna be hell. And there are all kinds of people. Some people don't care what you do. Some people judge no matter what you do, even if you're doing the right things. Some people are even more scared and anxious than you are. And some people have so many problems in their life that they don't have time to judge you. But the most important point is every single person will forget, no matter what kind of a blunder you make. People move on, they forget, they'll find some other embarrassing person to judge. We are more self critical about ourselves and we are more focused on our mistakes than other people. It took me a very long time to realize that, so I started speaking up very late in my life, and I don't want that to be happening to you. So, this is why I made this video, so you don't go through what I went through. I wish someone had told me at that time, Sonia, it's okay, chill, relax, it's okay to embarrass yourself. People don't care, nothing matters. And even if you can't talk, it's okay. There's a whole bunch of people out there who's just like you. Make a YouTube channel, call them, build an army, and go fight against all those people who diss you because you cannot talk. No, I'm just kidding. I haven't made this YouTube channel for that purpose. You want to be part of that army? So, what have we learned today? It's okay. If you cannot talk, it's okay. If you want to talk, don't care what people think. Even if you are a slow talker like me, or maybe you're a fast talker or something. I don't care, nothing matters. You know, I talk a lot when I'm with my close people, so you get it. You guys are also my close friends. That's why I talk so much in my videos. I talk nonsense, gibberish, because you guys are my friends. On that note, bye. We'll see you next time.